I'm Pam, and I'm here to discuss our maintenance program and how to request a repair. All repair requests must be made through our office, either through our office phone number, our emergency line, or our online tenant portal. I will be handling all maintenance requests called into our office or placed online, so please ask for me, Pam. Please note, we are not authorized to reimburse you for companies you hire to conduct repairs. We have procedures in place depending on the requirements of each landlord. Some landlords use home warranty companies, which means the home warranty will assign the contractor and handle the repair. Some landlords have their own contractor, and a few landlords prefer to complete the repairs themselves. Most of the time, we assign the contractor and follow up on the repair. Once we assign a contractor, we will email you their contact information. If you do not hear from a contractor within 48 hours for a non-emergency repair, please let me know as soon as possible so I can ensure an appointment is set up for the repair to be completed. Once the vendor bills us for their services, we will email you a survey. We read every response. Your surveys help us follow up with contractors and document how well they are doing. We want the repairs to be done correctly and timely. There are rare occasions when a repair is the responsibility of the tenant. For example, when there is lots of hair clogging a pipe, or when toys or other inappropriate items are flushed down a toilet, causing a clog. These are charged to the tenant. We want to avoid tenant charges as much as possible, and we will discuss how to prevent tenant charges in a future video. If you have any questions, please call me. I look forward to helping you make your tenancy as enjoyable as possible.